Modern physicists find themselves trying to explain how it is possible that something appeared out of nothing in a Big Bang long cosmic year ago. How we got something from nothing. But these kind of explanations and theories do not really add up. In fact, this approach to understanding the mysteries of existence is clearly missing some essential factor. That factor can only be our own life force and consciousness. Consciousness as if is matter, and consciousness awakened is consciousness. All is consciousness. When that on is asleep, it appears as matter, and when awake, it is consciousness. As science goes deeper and deeper into matter, it finds that matter is no more, and only energy remains. Only energy is. That remains after the exploration. That remains after the explosion or splitting of the atom is only particles of energy. And how do we know? As electrons, protons, and neutrons are particles of electricity. In fact, it is not correct to call them particles because particles imply matter. The scientist had to find a new word, which is quanta, which has a different connotation altogether. Quanta is both a particle and a wave. It is difficult to comprehend how something could be both a particle and a wave simultaneously, but quanta is both. Sometimes it behaves as a particle, which is matter, and sometimes it behaves as a wave, which is energy. The wave and energy are different behaviors of the same quanta. Science is in semi consciousness. When science delved deep, it found that only energy is. And when spirituality delved deep, it found that only spirit or atta or soul is. And soul is energy. The time is just around the corner when a synthesis of science and religion will be achieved, and the distance that separates them will simply disappear. When the gap between matter and truth has proved to be false, the gap between science and spirituality cannot exist for long. If matter and consciousness are not two, how can spirituality and science be two? The separation of science and spirituality was depend on the separation of matter and consciousness. What we call matter is consciousness asleep, and what we know as consciousness is matter awakened. In reality, matter and consciousness are not different, they are different manifestations of the same thing. Existence is one, and that one is godliness, whatsoever you want to call it.